Hello YouTube, this is Brian Tubbs coming at you with another video. Today is going to be a quick video just to kind of let you guys see where I am with the box sculpture that we're making. I think we're going to name it Special Delivery. These are being made for a packaging company out of Indiana. Like I said in the previous videos, we had a guy that bought two of our large sculptures a few months back, and he owns a packaging company, and then a friend of his owns a packaging company. So he's having these blocks built for his friend's packaging company to go in front of the building. They're having some special event, and we're going to be making these blocks to present to them. And so this is where I am so far. I have the base block, which is a 24 by 24 cube. The second block is 18 by 22 by 18 in height. The third block, 18 by 22 by 12 height. And then this block, which will be block number 5, the top block, is 10 by 16 by 12. Now it's going to sit on top of another 18 cube. So this piece is going to be about 7 feet tall, an overall length. When I get all the blocks put on, this thing will weigh about 390 pounds. The first two blocks are made of 11 gauge, and then the next three going up will be 12 gauge. But the box that will go in this position, the logo box, will have a stainless steel backing behind their logo. So when you look at the box, it'll be Corten, but then you'll see the stainless steel backing behind their logo. And we're just waiting to get the logo from them so that we can go ahead and build the final box. I'm going to kind of turn you guys around just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing over here. And this is the final block that I'm in the process of making now. And let me kind of spin you guys around just a little bit here. And so this is the final block, the sheet. It's 11 gauge. It, I think, let me get to the dimensions of it. The dimensions are 36 by 72. So 3 feet by 6 feet is the dimensions of this piece, and that is going to be the 18 by 18 cube that's going to go here. Let me raise this thing up so you guys can see it and just kind of see what it looks like. All right. I hope you guys can see this, but this is what it looks like. So it's actually, it's actually what a box would look like if you unfold a cardboard box. Other than I have these little cutouts here, because I have these cutouts here so that when I fold the box, I won't have stress on the walls with this material here. So I cut just a little wedge out on all of the inner flaps. Now the outer flaps that go on top, those are just the whole flap, but it's just the inner flaps. I had to cut that little wedge out. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cut all of these flaps off. Now the inner flaps will stay, but the outer flaps, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be cut off. And when I put the box together, I will get the box off folded, fold the inner flaps in, top and bottom. Then I will take these flaps, set them on the box, and then weld that outer seam. And that way the boxes will sit flat. Because I noticed before when I was doing the boxes, when I was bending them all, they had a little belly where coming from the outer edge, when I folded it in, it had a little roll to it from all the stress from that outside corner. So what I do now is just cut it, set it on there, and then weld that outside seam, and that way it's the flaps sit flat. They don't have that little roll to them. Because if they have a roll to them, let me turn you guys around one more time. So if the box has a roll to it, when I say roll, I mean from here to here, it kind of rolls up just a little bit, little high spot right there. And so if it has a high spot down here, I'm going to be welding this section and this section to this box. And if these are sitting too high because it has a belly, I won't be able to weld it because it'll be too much of a gap. So by making it flat, it sits right on there, and I can just weld that right to the box that it sits on. All right, guys, I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up on where I was with these boxes. I might shoot a second video and kind of show you guys when I cut the flaps off, just let you guys see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. But for now, that's going to do it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. And as usual, peace out.